Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have something a little special. I bought myself another gift, another watch. I couldn't resist. I had the chance to buy this watch, so I said, why not? Let's go ahead and pick it up. And it is also my first watch of this brand. This is my receipt here. To give you guys a quick preview, it is in fact a new Tudor. And of course, by the title of this video, you can probably tell what watch it is already. But I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of them on the first day that they came out, July 1st. So I said, why not? Let's go ahead and pick it up. This is my first one of this brand. Now, I haven't even worn this watch. I just had it sized when I went to the AD. And then I was wearing my Rolex Explorer, so I told them to go ahead and put the Tudor back in the box. And I wanted to just keep it a really raw and first impression video for you guys. So really, this is my first time actually being able to put on the wrist and truly wearing it and giving you guys a honest first impression on the watch. Again, I didn't wear it out of the AD. I just had them size it for me, put it back in the box, and then I walked out with it. I'm not gonna get too much into specifics in this video. I wanna keep this video short, sweet, and simple. Pretty much my first impressions in the unboxing and what you get with this watch when you first purchase it. At a later date, I will go and do a more in-depth review, especially once I've had some time to actually wear the watch and enjoy it and really get a feel for it. Then I can get you guys a proper review of the watch. But again, that'll be at a later date. Today, we'll keep it short, sweet, and simple, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the brand new Tudor Black Bay 58 navy blue that just came out on July 1st. So here is the outer box. Has a Tudor, similar to Rolex, this outer box, and then you have an inner box here. Now the all black Tudor box with this up, and you have this matte black presentation box with the nice Tudor shield on here. And of course, if you open this up, then you have the watch itself. And here is the new Black Bay 58 navy blue, which is just, honestly, it is a very nice looking piece. It's gorgeous. It is a different blue than the Pelagos. The Pelagos is more of a matte blue, kind of a lighter shade. The Black Bay 58 navy is more of a, I would say it's more of an anodized blue. It is a deeper blue. It has more of an anodized look, and when the light hits it right, you can kind of see the matte sheen over it. But again, it's not a lighter matte similar to the Pelagos. This is its own color variant, and in person, it looks completely different. My AD had the Pelagos, and I held them side by side. Unfortunately, I should have taken a photo for you guys. But there is a very, very big difference in the blue of this and the blue of the Pelagos. So the watch is right here, and this is the new Tudor warranty. I believe Rolex is going to be moving forward with this as well. So it's just a card. They don't do names anymore. Instead, they just do... Can't show you guys the serial number because there's people out there that want to make fake watches and they steal the serial number. But here you can see, dated July 1st, 2020. I was lucky enough to be able to get this on release day of this watch. So, awesome piece. And I'm really just excited to put this on because I haven't actually had a chance to wear it properly. Of course, you have your warranty booklet. So certification, your essentially what's considered box and papers. This is your paper, and then the user manual there. You have this red pull tab here, and of course another red pull tab in the back that secretly stashes your hang tag as well as your link. So I have a pretty small wrist, closer to 6.5 inches. So I had 4 links removed here to fit this for me. So here's a closer look. Again, it is just a beautiful blue, almost like a baby Smurf. If this was all white gold, you know the white gold Submariner, that's the blue on blue face and the blue dial. It kind of is a version of that. I would say a baby version of that. I know some people are saying this is the baby Pelagos. However, it just isn't the same blue at all. In person, it looks completely different. I think it's more of like a baby Smurf. It is a fairly light watch. I believe this is a titanium bracelet, unlike the 904L stainless steel for the Rolex models. But I do believe this is white gold on the hour markers and some of the hands itself. And of course the clasp here, the Tudor clasp. So it opens up like this, similar to Rolex. It just doesn't have a crown, right? So here's the watch on its own, completely out. And this is actually my first time being able to put the watch on properly and give you guys an honest opinion and first impressions. So one thing I'm noticing right off the bat with this watch is how much of a low profile it has. It's sitting really, really close to my wrist, super tight. I'm guessing if you had a dress shirt on, this would definitely go under the dress shirt cuff. So I kind of like that. I mean, I don't like my watches sticking too high up, but look at that gorgeous dial color. It's actually a very, very nice watch. Guys, I'm pretty impressed with Tudor. Again, I've never thought I'd actually buy one, but I had the chance to pick this one up and I said, why not? Let's give it a shot. And so far, I am pretty impressed with it. I might actually wear this quite a bit before I give you guys a review, a full in-depth review. All right, and we're back out. And here's what it looks like on the wrist. I think it's a nice watch. It's gorgeous. I like the blue personally. I think of it like a baby Smurf. I think that blue on blue Submariner style watch is a nice watch. Again, you really can't get it unless you're getting that white gold Smurf. So I think this is a really, really good alternative to it. This is the 39mm, so they did downsize it a little bit from the regular, I want to say 41mm, the original 58, Black Bay 58. So this is a little bit smaller, which personally for me, for my wrist, it works out just fine. Now, I think I'm gonna get this question a lot, so I'm gonna answer it really quick on how I got this watch on day one of the release. And to be honest, I think I just got lucky on this one. What happened was, there's 3 ADs near my house. I bought a Rolex Explorer from one of them and a Rolex Explorer 2 from another one. And then this is the third one. This is actually the closest AD to me, but I don't have any purchase history with them. However, I have visited them multiple times. I have tried on watches. I almost bought a GMT, a black GMT from them. The last GMT that they made, I want to say it was 2018 or 2019. The black one, the black GMT. So I've been in and out of this AD multiple times, and I visit, you know, whenever I can. If I'm out and about, we're shopping, I'm with my girlfriend, we're shopping. We always drop by the ADs to go say hi and just get to know the salespeople. And that's kind of what happened. What's funny is I walked into this AD, and this is an honest story. The sales guy that I've never seen before, I asked him if they have this watch. This is July 1st, so first day of the release. I asked him, hey, do you guys have the new Black Bay 58 Navy? And he goes, no, we don't. I could put you on a wait list. I'm like, all right, well, you know, I'd like to try the watch on and see it in person before I buy it. How long until I can actually get the watch in hand? He's kind of just going on this spiel, and what happens is the owner of the jewelry store walks out, and I've talked with him a couple times. He greets me, and again, we've seen each other a couple times, so he says hi to me and we start talking. And the owner, I'm like, hey man, do you guys have the Black Bay 58 Navy? I know they just came out today, but how does it work? And he goes, yeah, actually, we do have one. Which one did you want? Because these actually came in 3 variations, right? The NATO strap, the suede style strap, and then the bracelet. I opted in for the bracelet. I believe there was 3 available, so 1 of each style. So this AD had gotten 3 of them, and I ended up opting in for the bracelet version, and he walked in the back, picked it up for me, came out and gave it to me. And he said a big reason why he wanted to sell it to me was, one, I showed face multiple times. I've spoken with the guy multiple times. Again, I believe this guy's the owner of the AD. At least his last name is the same name as a jewelry store, so I want to say it's something to do with him and his family. So it's a pretty fair guess, right? Essentially, because I was able to show face multiple times and just build a relationship with them, I was able to just walk in and actually get this watch, which I'm super thankful for. It's my first experience with the Tudor, and I am actually very happy. Moving forward, again, I will do a more in-depth review, and I might even face it off against the Submariner because they're kind of similar in that they're both dive watches. This is just for Tudor, so I will do a comparison side by side, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts there. But I want to thank you guys so much for dropping by and doing this quick unboxing with me for my first Tudor. Thank you guys so much for sharing that experience with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. It helps me tremendously. It helps the YouTube algorithms. It puts my video out there so more and more people can see it and the community can continue to grow. So if you could please, again, just hit the like button and also subscribe. I will be doing more videos with this and a couple of my other watches, so I hope you guys stick around for that. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave a comment below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.